If your customer needs you physically available before they understand your business has a clarity problem. In the last class, we solved the visibility problem. But being found is not enough, because after people find your business, they still need to understand what you sell. A confused customer does not buy. They may like your post, they may save your flyer, they may even ask how much, but if your offer is not clear, they will delay, compare, scroll away, or go to somebody who explained it better. Many African businesses are not suffering because their product is bad. Some are suffering because their message is scattered. Today they post one flyer, tomorrow a random caption, next week a design that looks fine but still says nothing clearly. Listen carefully. Beautiful design is not the same as clear communication. A fine flyer that does not explain your business is still confusion with color. That is where Canva AI comes in. Do not use Canva AI only to make your design look beautiful. Use it to make your business easier to understand. Before you design anything, ask Canva AI to help you explain 5 things clearly. Number 1, what do you sell? Number 2, who is it for? Number 3, what problem does it solve? Number 4, what result should the customer expect? Number 5, how can they buy, book on, or contact you? For example, go to Canva AI and say, I run a business in Africa that sells, then list your product or service. Tell it, create a simple business flyer, a product explanation post, and a WhatsApp catalog design that explains what I sell, who it is for, the problem it solves, the benefit, and how customers can contact me. That is not random design. That is clarity. Use Canva AI to create your price list, your service menu, your product explanation post, your customer FAQ graphic, your before and after visual, your one-page business offer, because after people find you, they must understand you. And after they understand you, they must trust you enough to buy. One day, one brick. That is the 6th brick. Brick 7 is loading, and in the next class, we will talk about the final problem, trust. Stay curious. This is the Street Lecturer. Class dismissed.